Welcome back to another video. In this video I am gonna do camera comparison between Vivo V40 Pro against the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's start with video comparison.